Hello friends, this is Marie from Thankful to Live, and this morning I am going to teach you how to make a fruit smoothie. This fruit smoothie does not have dairy products or anything with lots of fat in it because I'm trying to lose weight or at least maintain my weight, and also it has a lot of healing properties in it. So I'll show you what I have in it. We'll go ahead and make the smoothie and it's going to be awesome. Alright, so the first thing I do is I cut up the fruit. Basically whatever fruit is in season, whatever fruit is ripe in your home. I have 2 plums and then I have 1 mango, and they're very ripe and ready to go. The reason why I'm going to put these 2 in first is because they're not frozen, so they're soft, so it'll be easier for the blender to blend them. So I'll put those on the bottom. There's my plums and mango. Oh my goodness, I hope all of this fits. And then I have 1 banana. These are frozen. I froze them before they went bad. And then I have about 10 frozen strawberries. And voila. And I took half of lemon juice, squeezed half a lemon, and it goes in there. And you know how much I love lemons and their healing part. This is coconut water, 1 cup of coconut water. And instead of yogurt, I use almond milk. So I have 1 cup of almond milk. So it's creamy, but it's not, it's vegan. So anyone who is vegan and is looking to keep that diet and that lifestyle, you can use almond milk or coconut milk. I have coconut milk as well, but I decided to use coconut water instead. Alright, so then here, this is my magic stuff here. I have turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and I also have ½ tablespoon of ginger. And this is good for autoimmune diseases, it has anti-inflammatory properties. So that's what's going to heal me, I hope. And then this honey I got in West Florida at a little mom and pop store, and it was pure honey sage. So I never saw that before. I've always had the orange blossom honey and others, you know, the wildflower ones, but never the sage. And I know sage has healing properties, so I'm trusting that this is also going to heal me. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1, 2 teaspoons. Well, that was more like 3. But the reason why I'm using that much is because I have some fruits that are citrusy and sour, like the lemon and the strawberries and the plums. So I kind of want to balance that sourness, even though I love things that are sour. And you can't let it go to waste, so you have to eat it. Alright, so that's it. All you have to do is cover it. Now if it needs a little more liquid, you can add water to it, or a little more coconut water. I think it'll be fine. Let's make this thick. Alright, so this is the part that I probably should be editing. But since I don't know how to edit yet, and I will learn, I promise, we're going to do it this way. But I'll try to make it snappy. So if you like a smoothie with a little bit of fruit crunches in it, so don't blend it for too long. But if you like it creamy like I do, let it blend for a while. These, one of them I got from a parent as a gift, and the other one I just bought yesterday at Walmart. I think it was like $5. I love these. Alright. And it's done. So the last thing, and let's hope I don't spill, you're just going to pour it in your cup. Now some people put ice too to make it colder, but I like it room temperature. I just feel like the body digests it better when it's not having to work at warming it up. It's still cold, just not freezing cold. All right? So, and then I have some left over here for whoever wants it here at the house. And guys, this is my morning breakfast, and it's easy. So I hope you guys try it out. I'm going to go ahead and have breakfast and then head out the door. And I hope you guys are having a great day. You are going to have a great day. All right? Besitos.